monitoring field assets in real time, and transforming raw data into useful information are essential to making the key decisions that guide your operations and business most effectively. With that in mind, CSI Compressco took a multifaceted approach to elevate compression operations to the next level with Helix digitally enhanced compression. First, we upgraded our fleet with a leading-edge IoT gateway. The tri-mode gateway with dual cellular modem and backup satellite provides highly reliable and real-time connectivity from the field to the office. Now, current compression operations data is communicated and accessible every minute. We also upgraded our fleet with Caterpillar's Product Link Elite, or PLE. The PLE conveys engine performance metrics, events, and diagnostics to the IoT gateway, enabling remote troubleshooting of engine issues, as well as the sharing of engine events and diagnostics with our customers. Second, we connected our fleet to Microsoft's Azure Cloud for lean data processing, analytics, and reporting. With its robust business integration capabilities, the cloud enables better informed decision-making about your operations and business needs. Moreover, it enables us to perform machine learning that yield advanced diagnostics and predictive maintenance, so you can stay ahead of your compression. Third, we have digitally enhanced the customer user experience by partnering with Caterpillar to upgrade our customer web portal. With CAT Remote Fleet Vision, you can monitor your fleet, view operational status and runtime metrics, and drill down to identify trends in unit performance. Our team of analysts monitors the fleet 24/7, proactively responding to alerts, analyzing data to identify trends, and providing technical support to you, the customer, and our field personnel. Thanks to our Helix Cloud platform, digital data sharing is now available. You can subscribe to our Cloud Event Hub and receive once-per-minute data on compressors and engines. Helix digitally enhanced compression improves the customer experience while maximizing compression reliability and your production. Take greater control of your compression operations with the knowledge afforded by real-time operational metrics, data analytics, performance trends, and diagnostics. Transcend to a higher realm with Helix digitally enhanced compression.